What's up guys, and welcome to a new video. In today's video we will talk about one of the biggest confidence and attractiveness killer out there. It will make your friends stay far away from you, it will make girls run away when you try to approach them, and overall it will make you feel like you're doing something wrong. I'm talking about having a bad breath. Everyone has a bad breath now and then, especially when you wake up in the morning. And besides that, it can also appear during your regular workday. But gladly, there are tons of methods that you can try in order to prevent a bad breath and also to get instantly rid of it. And that's what today's video is all about. I will show you 7 advices that you can use in order to get rid of a bad breath instantly. So if you want to learn more about this topic, definitely make sure to watch this video till the end. But before you're going to start directly with the video, just take a quick second guys and smash that like and subscribe button down below and join our family of men who are striving to become their best version possible. My mission is to help you with each and every of those videos to become every single day at least 1% better than yesterday. And that is also why I committed myself to upload daily on this channel, so you have all the sources that you need to become your best version possible. So make sure to smash that like and subscribe button down below and also turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my new videos. Alright, before I talk too much, let's hop into the video. Let's start with number 1, watch what you eat. Let's say you're going on a date. In order to prevent a bad breath, you need to take care what you eat before the date and also while you're on a date as well. First of all, very obvious, avoid eating food that contains garlic. But also spicy food or food with a lot of sauce on top of it can lead to a bad breath. My recommendation, try to eat something lighter before and during your date. For example, fresh fruits and vegetables can actually clean your mouth and your tongue and therefore can prevent and help you to get rid of a bad breath. So if you have a date or a meeting, eat some fresh fruits or vegetables instead of any other dish. Alright, let's continue with number 2, floss on a daily basis. Not flossing your teeth on a daily basis is actually one of the main reasons why people suffer from a bad breath. I mean, it also totally makes sense. If you don't floss your teeth on a regular basis, you got all the food particles between your teeth, and over time they will start to smell bad and therefore lead to a nasty breath as well. So very simple, in order to prevent this issue, floss on a daily basis. I personally always do it in the evening before I go to bed, but you can also do it in the morning and especially before you have a very important date or meeting. Let's continue with number 3, don't forget to clean your tongue. Beside the little food particles between your teeth, another huge factor for having a bad breath is simply not cleaning your tongue. If you don't clean your tongue on a regular basis, a lot of bacteria and dirt will accumulate on it and can therefore lead to a bad breath. So very obvious, in order to prevent this issue, you need to clean your tongue on a regular basis. I will personally recommend that you use a tongue scraper for it, simply because it is way more effective than, for example, your toothbrush. And of course it is also very cheap to buy, so no excuses on that. Let's continue with number 4, use a mouthwash. A mouthwash is a quick fix if you struggle with a bad breath. But you can also use it to prevent it. There are also small packages of mouthwash that you can even take with you for an emergency. But very important, do your research before you buy a mouthwash, and don't just buy the cheapest mouthwash that you can find, because some of them are acidic and can damage the bacteria in your mouth and your tongue. Let's continue with number 5, drink a lot of water. You might have already noticed it, when you have a dry mouth, it is very likely that you also have a bad breath as well. So what you can do is simply drinking more water, because it will flush out all the dead skin cells and other bacteria that is responsible for having a bad breath. And besides that, you already know that water has tons of incredible health benefits for you, so drink every single day 2 to 3 liters of water. Let's continue with number 6, always have some mints in your pocket. Especially when you go on a date, this could be a lifesaver. It is one of the best ways to get instantly rid of a bad breath. Because if you go for a kiss, the last thing that you should have is a bad breath. So never leave the house without your mints in your pocket. Let's continue with number 7, drink green tea. Studies have actually found that the natural antioxidants of green tea can help to fight bad breathing causing bacteria. So before you go on a date, drink a cup of green tea. It will definitely help you to prevent a bad breath. Yeah, that's basically it for today's video. Hopefully you found some value in this video. Make sure to smash that like and subscribe button down below and join our family of men who are striving to become their best version possible. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. See you in the next video.